Mike Westphal here at McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to talk to you about Anthuriums. These are an amazing indoor plant, very tropical look, but here coming up on Valentine's Day, it's a great gift plant as well. You get these amazing heart-shaped leaves with these really pretty blooms. They come in a lot of different colors. This is a bright red, and they come in different sizes. We have 4-inch, and then here's a 6-inch with a white bloom, and then here's an 8-inch, which is slightly bigger, and this one's got a white with that nice red stamen, so something different and unusual. And then these are going to be featured in our outdoor show, which is coming up this March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th here at the Independence location here in Virginia Beach. So come in and check us out. But this is going to be one that's going to be featured at our show. And the blooms start out, it's a Dutch Anthurium, and the blooms start out small, and then they get a little bit bigger, and then they get huge here towards the end. So really cool plant, something you're going to see at our show being featured. So come in and check us out, and come in and check out our Anthurium collection at any one of our locations here in Virginia Beach.